Hello, gorgeous beings. My name is Andrea, and you are watching Girl Talk. This pandemic has brought us all sorts of negative emotions, and it's normal to be feeling down these days. But don't forget to look after yourselves once in a while, which is why we are launching our self-love series for Girl Talk. And for today's episode, we will be checking out one of Cebu's popular beauty salons, and we'll be getting to know one of the inspiring women behind it.
Family has never been into business. Wala may background sa business. Wala ko'y anything, any know-how about business.
Alright, so now we are with one of the owners of Colors and Peach, the ever-gorgeous event and TV host, Phoebe Fernandez. Hi, Phoebe.
Hi, Andy.
Welcome to Girl Talk.
Hi, thank you for having me.
We are very, very excited to have you here with us. Phoebes, before nato hisgutan ang history of Colors and Peach, they say that one of the ways to know more about a woman is through her bag.
Lagi?
So can we ask you, for our starting question, what are your essentials sa imong bag karon?
That's a very good point. To know a woman is to look into her bag,
Yeah.
diba? So makita ninyo sa akong bag karon, lahi-lahi igid siya ng mga butang. That's how you can say that I am a type of person na kana ganing bisag unsa lang sad ang mahuna-hunaan.
Okay.
dili gyud ko type of person na organized na mao gini siya, dili gini siya. So kun unsa ang pinakagamit and pinaka-essential gid sa akong kinabuhi, that's what I put inside my bag.
So random ra ka ini siya.
Random. I am a very random person. Disorganized at times. And so, my bag, of course, I have my perfume with me. I have my laptop charger, which is very important nowadays, especially with Zoom meetings. And my handy-dandy credit card or card holders.
You're more of a card person than a cash person.
Yes, my friends can attest that. Wala gid kay cash most of the time. So kung moingon mo palibre ko ang ako ging rason permi is wa ko'y cash.
So mo na siya ang tip.
Mo nang tip. Mo nang tip. Ug mo sa nang tip na dili ka mahutdan dayon og cash.
Yeah.
Kay matempt man ka ay dili naman ka makagasto.
True.
Pero kay cash, diba? So, yeah, I'm a card person. And then, of course, my comb. And the very, very important nowadays is my alcohol. Hindi na dapat mawala. And what else? My powder. I have my powder with me. Para mo, kay kabaw ko, magmask naman tano, pero of course, nabi agi mga oily spots gihapon, makitaan ba gihapon na.
Tinuod, kay
Diba?
ma-expose kaya po na itong agtang, ang T-zone.
And then, di isad ba ya, kay pwede na ba ya mag-dine-in karon, so pwede na ka maghubo sa mong mask, na gihapon na mga lipstick, girls. Sige na mawala.
Dapat syufa gihapon.
Yes, and of course, my hand lotion. Nagyapon na ito mga pang syupa din ha. My other lipstick, and what else? I have my ID.
Yeah,
for
very
checkpoint
important.
purpose. Kaya pangitaon na bayagin sa checkpoint ng ID. I have my ball pen with me. Diba? Ingo ko, very random ra gyud. And very important, my medicine. Kay nagi times na labdan gyud kag ulo, especially with a lot of things going on right now. And stress and all, naagi dapat imong medicine. And then my license, my card, my nakoy money for parking purposes. Nara ko'y mga 70 pesos with me. Dapat naagi hapon kay change kay para sa parking and tip kung matagag tip.
Yeah.
And lastly, of course, my phone. Okay.
Sige, Phoebes, I'm just curious. Out of all the things that you have in there, kintahig snatchan kasimba ko. And mo yun ang snatcher, usaray mong pwede ma-save, day. Unsa man mo ang i-save anang tanan.
Oh my God! Naglibog ko! Pwede duha?
Sige, chance. Duha.
Duha?
Duha.
Of course, my cards!
And your
and
phone.
my phone.
Diba?
Ang ID pa good. Pero kaning duha. It's very important.
The essentials
pero kung
na gid,
usa
no?
lang, card yun.
Card, yeah.
Kay lisod kayo mapaanta ron. Diba? Karong mga panahon. But that's it.
That's very interesting to know. Now na kibaw na me a little bit about yourself, we are curious about this business.
Okay.
So tell us about Colors and Peach. Unsa may sinugdanan ani Phoebes? How did you start?
Okay, so that's a very interesting question. Actually, I've never even planned on opening a salon. But I've always been adamant yun in pursuing business. In this industry where I am right now, Manggod, hosting, TV, because after I graduated and after I passed the board exam
For
nursing.
So you are a nurse
I am a
by
registered
profession.
nurse. Yes, by profession, but I wasn't able to practice my profession because after I passed the board exam, that was the time that ABS-CBN offered me to be the host for the program before Mag TV na every Sunday. So I was given the opportunity and then I immediately said yes because akong huna-huna ato just to give it a year. And then after a year, mo practice na dayon ko sa akong profession. Because that's what I studied for, di ba? 4 years ba yasad na. And then, after that, the rest was history. Wala na ako nakapursue sa nursing because I fell in love with the job. I fell in love with hosting, with the program. And so, I ventured also into events hosting because basically, mo namang ginawa. When you're a TV host, you become an events host. So,
Yeah.
I fell in love with talking to people, meeting a lot of people, the opportunities that come with the work, with the job that I have. And then, wala na yun. So, after 10 years, na ako sa ABS-CBN. So, I was part of ABS-CBN for roughly 11 years.
Wow.
And so, when I was like 24 years old, 23, 24, I came in sa ABS 21 man ko. 23, 24, kuan nagid ko, naghunahuna nagid ko na if ever the time comes that I get older and then dili baya gid ni, this is not a forever job.
Yeah.
You know that. Eventually, events hosts come and go. There will always be someone younger to take on the challenge of hosting, right? Kabaw kita na. So, naanagid ko mindset na I want something na maakuha. And that's business. Because wala na sa ako mindset ato na mo work in sa corporate world. Kay kabaw man ko na wala na ko naanad-ana na field because naanad naman ko sa action sa TV hosting and sa events hosting, which is I own my time but naalang gyud tay mga certain I own my time for events hosting but at the same time for TV hosting dili siya 8 hours job, right? Dili ka confined sa spaces sa office. So naanad na ko ana ba. So there was dili na gyud na ko siya ma-think na naaba ko sa corporate world. So what I was thinking at that time was business gyud. I need to have a business. I need to have something to really say it's my own and to maakuha siya and eventually it will be my source of income and my source of living in the future. And so, mga daghan na kay kog naapilan. Daghan na gid kaayo. Dili gid siya kanida yon mao na ni Colors and Peach mao na dayon.
Example lang sa imong mga nasudlan.
Network marketing. I've joined a lot of network marketing in the hopes that I could foster it, I could pursue it longer. Daghan akong nasudlan pud na mga companies, business, retail, clothes.
You try na sad ka
Yes, and then online business as well. So I ventured into online. So daghan gyud siya ba, and then dili siya overnight success, and it was a struggle because a lot of times I failed, and there was also a lot of money involved ba.
Yeah.
So mga savings nako na akong gi-invest ana na business, nalugi pud ko. Kay wala man gyud siya na successful. And so sa akong boyfriend mong good, I always tell him good na unsa ako ang ganahan good. I really want to put up a business. And at the time, my boyfriend was working for a company. He was a brand manager, or he was a marketing officer rather for a certain company. And so he really suggested na either food, but food is difficult though. Kaya wa man sa good ko I don't cook.
Background.
Yeah, I don't cook, and at the same time, let alone I'm not a food lover. I love to eat, but food lover is different, Manggod.
Yeah.
You taste the food and you experience something, and that's it, di ba?
So it's not for you.
Oh, it's not for me. So, ningon din siya yung nag-suggest na salon. How about salon? Kay tigpa-salon ba ka? You know some people. You know na kay somebody to trust to. And it's somebody na ni-trust ka, and then pagkahuman, nakay background gamay sa salon. Kay tigpa salon man ka. So niya siya na ako niya na I don't like the idea of a salon because number one, the industry is very saturated.
Yeah.
The beauty industry is really saturated.
Daghan
There are a
na
lot
gid
of
kaayo.
salons. Every corner in the street
Yeah.
na ay salon, di ba? So dito sa mall, one floor lang, puro
Puro
salon,
salon.
spas and all, di ba? But ingon man gud siya. And he opened my mind. He said na, yes, there are a lot of salons, but when you say a very quality salon that people can trust with, and a salon that they can have a relationship with, especially that he knows my personality, wala ba yan? Diba? And so, niyanak ko na, sige. And then, I have some people na pwede na ako makontak, pwede na ako mapangutanan. And then, kuan lang yun. Actually, kato lang yun na time, I was amazed. Kay, ni-jump lang yun ko. My family has never been into business. My father is an employee, my mother is a housewife, and all of my siblings are employees. Wala may background sa business. Wala ko'y anything, any know-how about business. And I was just very determined to put up a business. And I think that's what made a difference yun. So, moto, nakakita ko ani na place. At that time, it was still constructing. Diretso ko pass sa mga requirements.
Really?
Without my boyfriend knowing. At that time, ako lang without my boyfriend knowing. And then, ni-down lang ko kalit. Dili na lang ko ma-mention kung pila. But that was so risky for me to put up a money na wala ko kabaw if madayon yun. Wala pa man gyud mi nagplano solid.
So that was very kanang spontaneous of you lang yun.
Yeah, that's what I told you. I'm spontaneous and very random. Pero kung nalang gyud ko'y ganahan, I put my focus into that, man good. And then my boyfriend was like, "Oh sige, what's my next plan na to?" And then immediately nagsige na ko plan for a loan sa bank just to really help me put this up. Actually, the plan was just a very small salon lang yun. And then ni foster lang yun siya. And then eventually my boyfriend said we need to have a third partner who's like you, very determined, a woman, to be specific, kay siyom shady. And then someone who is bubbly and has a personality and character as well. And that's why we invited our third partner, Nika, to come and join us. She is a marketer and she's very good in digital marketing as well. And so she's in charge with marketing. And so I think para nako kung determined lang gid ka, everything will just flow.
Fall into place.
And fall into place and flow lang yun.
And I think if it's really for you, Phoebes, diba, like what you said kanina nga, daghan ka gipang sudlan at first, but if it's really for you, probably the stars will really align in your favor, no?
And it's like the waters in the river flowing smoothly towards
Curious
your
ko, Phoebes, nganong colors and peach ang
Yes,
name?
very nice. Actually, di ba, I told you, the plan was kami lang sa akong boyfriend at na time. My boyfriend's name is Chad, so that's letter C. And my name is Phoebe, that's letter P. So para na ako, sige, maghimo tag something na C o P, para lang gyud ka nang murag koan lang gyud siya ba, something na makaingon taga tuwasad. Nasa gamay meaning or hidden behind it. But it was not a priority. Nagsige lang gyud ko gunaw-hunaw. Sa kay pwede na to, no? I like the sound of colors. Kay it's so soothing to your ears. When you say colors, the way your mouth opens, diba, nindot kayo siya paminawon. And then, pag humanin ko, okay na ang C, then ang P na lang. So I was trying to play around with words like pretty, colors, pretty, maragli, sa guganahan o ka ng something very common. And so I come across peach, not because it's a color, but peach manggod in Urban Dictionary means beautiful. Hi Peach, hi there Peach.
Meaning
beautiful. Yeah,
so one of the slang words
yes,
that you use.
sa US, they use it like to connotate na you're beautiful. Hi there Peach, maragina ba? And so, pwede siya mahimo ka ng, kung sa color pa lang, peach it's just a color. But when you put colors to it, you become vibrant. And so, moto, nabuhi siya, colors and peach. I like the sound of it. I like hearing it. And at the same time, when I Googled it, nobody owned the name. When you hashtag it, nobody had a hashtag colors and peach. and we trademarked the name. And so it's ours na, Colors and Bleach.
Phoebes, imong gi-mention ang imong mga struggles before being able to come up with your own business. And I know nga, after that, nanasay bagong nahitabo, which is not bilang ikaw ang naka-experience kitang tanan because no one is really exempted from this pandemic. So you opened in 2018, no?
Yeah, 2018.
2020, COVID happened. Unsa naman sa inyong mga challenges nga naagian?
I know, not only that, when we opened 2020, we opened another branch in 2019. Very fresh pag yun. December 10, 2019, we opened another branch in Ayala Central Block in ID Park. And then COVID happened around February, March. We really saw a decline already. And we really saw that there's a difference in the sales and in the number of customer counts that we have. It was very struggling. Para na ako, if you don't have the right, not only mindset, but how you play with your finances, you can never bounce back to it. Ang imuha lang yun is determination. Ang imuha pong focus is but kabaw ka, nawala ba yung ginatanan?
Yeah.
And it's not our fault na ni sidetrack ta. There was a lot of anxiety happening, or I'm feeling a lot of anxieties already.
Personally, ikaw?
Yes, personally. Emotions that I haven't experienced before. Thoughts that weren't in my head before. I had very negative thoughts already. And just to share to people also, mental health, ang atog yung mental health ato was at the very lowest. You know, I've been struggling with a lot of thoughts, struggling with self-doubts. I had also times when I can't sleep anymore. I cannot sleep thinking of the people. Kaya sa una manggod ako nagi solution sa problema kung maningkamot lang ka. Dili ni masirado kung maningkamot lang ta. Pero unsa man yung pagpaningkamot na wa man ka gitagaan sa higayon na maningkamot.
Yeah.
Diba? Because you're just locked in. You're like a prisoner. So, but that time, what helped me is my faith yun. Faith ni Lord, number one. I really prayed every night. Prayed, even crying, no? Mga inanagid ang mga struggles. And I just want to tell everybody na watching this na it's really normal to cry and it's really normal to feel very anxious. And yan ay mga self-doubts at times. Just prayed, kept my faith, and also, if it weren't for my boyfriend and partner, Chad, and my sister, Jamie, who's also helping me out in this business, I couldn't have survived. They really pulled me up. And that's how important strong support system is, especially with your family. You cannot handle it on your own, and it's okay, very okay to ask for help.
Yeah.
Because not at all times we are strong.
Yeah. And it's not a sign of weakness if you ask for help. Yeah.
And I've asked for help a lot of times sa ako ang sister and sa ako ang boyfriend po. And luckily, he was able to manage the finances very well. Nakaya na ako because I had help. Nakaya na ako because I asked for help.
Now that you're back in business, Phoebe, one of the major considerations of people, although quarantine restrictions have been eased, but still, diba, you wouldn't want to let your guards down. So, unsa man ang inyong mga safety health protocols, hindi patuman karon?
Disinfection here in the salon, as we brought in a really a hospital grade disinfection for the usage sa ato ang mga tools, equipments, sa ato mga gamit po din sa salon. We have our air purifier, making sure that it's also very good help. Our contact tracing is contactless. We have contactless payments as well. We course everything through online. So, amo na ipahibaw ang ato ang mga clients sa ato ang mga safety guidelines from the temperature check, letting them aware kung naa sila temperature above a certain 38, above 38, so dili na sila pasundon. Walay companions allowed as much as possible, except for those who have special considerations. Walay companions because para lang yun ma-maintain nato ang number of people here in the salon. And also, social distancing, which is very important, at least a meter away. So, nami social distancing, and our people have been provided as well with protective personal equipments like a face shield, mask, hairnets, and all. And they've also attended safety protocol seminars pod para pod ma-inform sila kung unsay mga guidelines nato.
That's very nice to know. Later on, we will be finding out about the services that you can avail of here at Colors and Peach when we return here at Girl Talk. Welcome back to Girl Talk. So right now, I will be starting my Momshi hair makeover, which I never enjoyed in 7 months. And I suggest that you'd also get that pampering treatment which you deserve. And at the same time, we are still here with Phoebe, who will be discussing the different services that you can avail of here at Colors and Peach.
Right now is we're applying highlights technique. So basically, ang atong buhaton is we will be applying a darker ash base on your hair kay para mas ma-emphasize nato ang atong highlights. But we made it a point na ang imong highlights is bigger in strands para pod naa siya perception na lighter ang imong hair. Nindot ang highlights, especially for us working women or professional women, kay makahatag man sa good ni og depth and perception.
Yeah.
And at the same time, we can always have it styled. You know, when you curl it, mas ma-defined siya. And mas mahatagan og, para nako mas mahatagan og extra drama ang imuhang buhok, di ba? Imong style. And what's good about this is, certain kay para man good makuha nato ang particular lightness na ato ang ganahan sa ato ang buhok, especially that you wanted your hair to be light, we really need bleach application. But what's good about highlights lang yun is there are certain strands lang ang atong mabutangan og bleach.
Yeah.
But naatay mahatagan nato siya og look na murag tibuok nimong buhok ni lighter. Kay mas ato mang gidako man nato ang imuhang mga highlight strands.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ano ang inyong mga services, Phoebe? There is a Colors and Peach, especially for those first-timers na gustong magpa-beauty.
Major hair services like hair color. We do hair color using different kinds of techniques. And then, kung unsa ilahang ganahan, whether you want to go for pastel or fashion colors, or you want to go for one-tone color only, or techniques such as balayage, foliage, or highlights, we also do that. Haircut is still there, styling as well. Shampoo, blow drying, and at the same time, we've got different treatments to address your certain concerns. Now, we only have 3 specific treatments here in the salon. The hair spa for your regular once-a-week treatment dose. So, it just gives your, mura siya ganang dose of smoothness para sa imong once a week. Murag, imuha lang go-to treatment ba? Kung ganahan ka na mas smooth imong buhok anang adlaw. So, once a week rin na siya. And then, after that, the next treatment on the line, in the pipeline, is our global Melbourne treatment from Japan. This is a Japanese premium line, and we're very proud to say that this is exclusive here in Colors and Peach. What's good about this brand is it really caters to your damages and repairs your damages from the inside out. Now, there are certain treatments manggod mupanindot sa imong buhok on the outside core. But what really matters is the damages that your hair has down to the hair cortex. And last treatment, which is our premium top-of-the-line treatment, is our original Brazilian blowout treatment. This is the trademark brand from the US, the original brand, which can really remove your frizz, your split ends, good for 12 weeks. So 3 months ang iyang effectivity, and it gives you like your hair has been blow dried.
And you're stressing out na it's the original, no? Because daghan kay mga nagdawat nga Brazilian nga kaya mga products nga mapalit ra downtown.
Kayo.
We have to be careful about
we have
these
to be
products,
careful
no?
because they contain also very harmful ingredients. That when you get to smell it, marag naa sa siya effect sa ato ang lawas pa. So you have to be really careful in the kind of products that you are using. Kay sa atong makuan ba gina sa atong sa atong bloodstream. Diba? So kana, and then aside from treatments, aside from hair services, we also have our nail services. Naghapon tayo nail services, manicure, pedicure, gel polishes, and also foot spa, hand massage, foot massage, and the like.
Okay. So we have with us, Phoebe, your expert na mga hairstylist.
Yes.
Ila sa amo, Phoebe.
So for this particular branch, Kasambagan branch, we have Juvie and we have Nolly as our leaders.
Yeah. For our viewers to know, Unsaon ninyo pag-assess? Because I'm sure nga it will really start with an assessment with Juby and Nolly. Unsaon ninyo pag-assess ang hair sa client? And I'm sure nga you always ask these questions na rebonded bagikan. What if dili kaya sa hair ang gusto sa client? So unsaon ninyo pag-balance? And the assessment part sa ta?
At the end of the day, manggod, ang atuang tanawon yun is ang health condition yun sa buhok. If makitaan yun namo na dili na kaya, dili yun nimo proceed. We will adjust para lang yun makamita halfway. If you really want to color your hair, if you want to undergo the services, we can adjust. But we will never push it to the limits na maguba na gyud ang buhok unless you are not honest with us. Unless you will not tell us na mauni imong gibuhat, mauni ang nabuhat nimo before, because some of the clients manggod, they'll be afraid na dili na sila sugtan na mo, which is tinuod man tan-awon magud nato. So makitaan dili maguna dayon nato makitaan ang kanang condition sa buhok, especially if gi-blow dry ang buhok gikan, and then they will just tell us na wala man mi gibuhat, di ba?
So virgin hair pa ni ana sila.
Virgin hair pa man ni pero nag-blackening di ay. So dili man mo divulge ang client good o kanang mga hair conditions nila or hair history nila before. But once we undergo the process, makita nami na mauna gyud ay ang gibuhat sa client, wala lang sila niingon. And so we adjust on it, making sure na dili gyud mi makaguba sa buhok. Kay ang mahitabo manggod, kamo manggod ang luoy. At the end of the day, what really matters is the health condition of the client. Na sila ipapabuhat namo, we can do it, but we always tell them na kung unsalay kaya si mong buhok ha, mo na ato ang buhaton. Mo adjust ta. Sige, pwede ra kani, pero treatment ta ha, sa imong balay, mauni imong buhaton. We give them aftercare tips. We really guide them. We tell them that message us. If you have questions, message us for us to guide you. Because they're not our clients in the salon only, but they're also our clients at home. They're like a family to us.
What are the common questions that you ask a client before he or she starts her hair makeover?
Hair history good. Ang sa inyong gibuhat sa inyong buhok. When was the last time that you colored your hair? What are the products that you usually use? Unsa imong gibuhat prior to coming to the salon? Kay unsa imong mga gipang-apply sa imong buhok? Kay naamang kuy uban na mga products na mo react sa ato ang bleach application
like
or sa
what?
colorant.
Like what, Pete?
Like for example, too much oil na makapakuan sa imong buhok, makapa-init pag maayos yung mong buhok. And once it comes in contact with the bleach, mas muinit man siya and muaso siya.
Masunog siya.
Mas mainit siya. Inana. So, kailangan nato siya sulbaron para dili siya masunog, right? And also, if you have been to the beach, kung gikan kag beach, diretso kag salon, kailangan sa nato kuanon imong buhok, kailangan nato waswasan imong buhok. We have to cool it down. Kaya para walay reaction sa colorant or sa any solution that we will be putting to your hair. And then, rebonded ba ka? Digital permed ba ka or permed ba ka? Kano sa imong last color process? I-undergo na ba ka bleaching and the like? For us to really determine kung kaya ba si mong buhok, okay ba imong strands? And then, check on your strands. Makakita man mi kung blackening ba ni or kuan lang yun na color.
Kung rebonded ang hair, usually, di gyud siya pa di highlights.
Especially if ang rebonded niya, kapila na siya nagsige for rebond. Kaya ang rebond manggod tends to really change the structure of your hair. So, kung mausab ang structure sa buhok, na tendency na daghan na gyud kay nag-damages. Especially dili lang nato makita. Indot man kay siya tan-awon. Pero once you put another process or once you apply another process and once you put another colorant or solution to it, makita na noon nato na mas na-damage na siya. Kay weak na day kayo iyang strands.
Tell us about your clients, Phoebe. I know nga majority are women, but you also get male clients, di ba?
Yes, of course. Our stylist is very competent also in haircutting males. Ayos kaayo ni sila mo haircut ng mga lalaki. And
what's so kasagaran color sa mga lalaki, Phoebe?
They go for gray, which is a very popular color. They also go for blue, and napoy magpa-red, nagpa-pink. Depende yun.
Depende sa ilang ganahan.
Depende sa ilang ganahan.
Now we have the head for operations of Colors and Keach, who's also Phoebe's sister. We have Phoebe. Hi, Jamie. Di ko kalingi ni mo karon because of the ongoing hairstyling. But Jamie, can you please share with all of our viewers unsa imo mga tips nga mahatag, especially for those nga nagpa-color treatment?
Of course, nagpa-highlights naman ta. So,
Yeah.
meaning na-bleach imong hair. So, dili na dyan kanang the same condition as wala pa ta nag-bleach. So, na dyan na difference. Either ma-dry mong hair and like, imuhang fading sad ang bantayon. So, really, imuhang routine, ang hair routine mo dapat mo bantayan. Right now, you have to use sulfate-free shampoo or any shampoo na color safe.
So dapat kung mamalit na ko sa grocery, I really have to be aware of the specifics na no. Kaya sometimes
Yes.
unsa akong naandan nga brand, mura man akong kuhaon. So I have to remember these two things. Dapat sulfate-free and at the same time, it has to be shampoo nga for color safe.
Yes. Aside sa like the sulfate-free shampoo or color safe shampoo, you have to use the the purple shampoo. Purple shampoo is specific really for the colored hair, especially sa bleached hair.
Okay.
Yeah, because over time, ma-fade man dyan na ang color.
Yeah.
It is natural. It's just a matter of how it fades, dapat bantayan. Purple shampoo will cancel out yellow tones, mga unwanted tones na to makita over time. So it will turn back to ash.
Okay.
Yeah.
For those nga hair, Jamie, nga niagi na og bleach, is it really recommended to have regular treatment already afterwards?
Yes, of course. It's really, really recommended.
Let's talk about washing your hair after you've already had your treatment. Is it advisable to wash your hair every day or to use shampoo every day?
If you're color treated na dyan, like bleached, we recommend you skip a wash. Like it varies. If you had highlights, pwede ta skip a day.
Ah, really?
Yeah, skip a day or like 3 times a week maximum. Pwede na sa twice a week, ana. Pero like if mga balayage or really mga ash gray, mga fashion colors like pink,
Yeah.
blue, kana sila very, very high maintenance na colors. So what we recommend is use dry shampoo rather than washing it every day or every other day. And we recommend it wash really like twice or once a week. Mo dyan ang best recommendation for those kinds of colors.
Alright, so when we come back, we will be revealing the final output of my hair because for now, I look like I'm a cast from Star Wars. But later on, ato makita ang finished product only here at Girl Talk. Transformation is finally done. Thank you so much, Colors and Phoebe.
How do you like your
Salamat,
hair?
Phoebes. I love it so much.
Aside sa mga tanong ko kung kumusta imong buhok, which is very good, that you're very confident and happy about it, ipascan po nato atong mga clients, which I will be doing also with you later for the aftercare tips. Because we want na even if you go at home, nagihapoy mo yung mga tips na mo-guide ninyo.
I'd like to ask you first this question, and I think that it's also very important for all of our viewers. Nganong important man ang self-love?
Nobody can love you better than yourself.
Yeah.
Diba? Wala may lain. You cannot ask someone to love you if you don't love yourself.
Tinood.
So it's very important to be kind to yourself and to always know your limits. It's always okay not to be okay. And you have to accept the fact that you need help at times and you need a very strong support system to back you up. So for me, to be able to accept your flaws and to be able to also love yourself in very difficult and most challenging times, that's the kind of love that you should be giving to yourself. And once you give yourself that kind of love, you can easily share it to others.
That's true. Phoebes, if in case we have viewers who also want to start their own business like you, what are the tips that you would want to share to aspiring womenpreneurs?
It's very important for you to always know what business you want to pursue. Lahi manggod kaayo or lisod manggod kaayo if you pursue a particular business that you don't love. You need to love that business. Second comes determination and hard work. Third is your strength to be able to handle the challenges. And fourth, your focus. And fifth, also, your strong faith in God. Kani man gud ang mga factors good mo coincide di siya sa imuha. Kung naa lang gyud kay determination and dedication, coupled with hard work, kanang kugihan gyud ka, focus and motivation, and as well as faith in God, makuha gyud mo ang imong mga dreams. I know it may sound cliche, but it happened to me, my God. Ako lang gyud set akong energy to one particular goal, and that is to open up a business. And then Colors and Peach started, and then I worked really hard for it, and I worked day and night just to make things happen. And then the universe coincided with me, diba? So kana lang yun, and if you really want it, you can get it. Ayaw lang yun og give up. Kay daghan man gyud challenges, wala may smooth and easy way sa business. If this was easy, a lot of people are doing it already, and a lot of people are successful doing it. But it's not man good, nagkanyud kaayo. It's just a matter on how you're able to face the challenges and face the problems, and head on lang gid ka. Take risk and just keep the faith and keep believing in yourself. Kana lang.
Phoebes, aside from these tips that you've shared with us, we've noticed also na for you to be able to survive, your business to survive these days, kinahanglan kusog ka og digital marketing and online presence. How has this helped Colors and Peach in particular?
Grabe. I am a firm believer of digital marketing and tapping social media for us to create contents and for us to spread the word. And it has helped us in a lot of ways. We have connected through social media. We have connected to a lot of new clients and old clients as well. It's easier to communicate with them, and also it's easier to tell them about the services and about what Colors and Peach has to offer for them. And at the same time, many people, I think everybody is in social media right now. So it's easier for us to connect to those who are very anxious in getting their hair done or whatever it is that they want, or whatever it is that the salon has to offer to them.
If we have viewers who would want to set up appointments with you guys, can you please tell us how they would be able to contact you?
We're very active online, so you just need to follow us on our social media accounts. On Facebook, that's Colors and Peach, and on Instagram, that's @Colors and Peach. We reply to your messages there, but should we not reply instantly to your messages, you can contact us directly through our landline numbers. Now, for our branch here in Kasambagan, you can easily contact us through 342-8661. And for our branch in Ayala Mall Central Block in IT Park, that's 401-2702. Provide us with your name, the service that you want to avail, the date and time of your preferred schedule, and the services or the branch that you prefer for us to easily manage your booking request. And that's it. Wait for our confirmation and you're all set.
There you go. Thank you so much, Phoebe.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to the whole team of Colors and Peach for having us, and again for my beautiful hair transformation.
Thank you.
Daghang salamat.
Thank you. And to everybody, keep safe and continue to spread the love.
All right. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me in today's pampering sesh. Please allow me to end this episode with this quote: "Your soul will never be fully nourished by anybody else's love but your own." This has been Andrea for Girl Talk.